This is the Rackspace S56 Bluetooth speaker. We will unbox this BT speaker, a mini BT speaker for your small entertainment or in your room. Provide sounds, chill. So let's unbox. Okay, this is the Bluetooth speaker. USB A to Type C cable, a manual, and we will take it the cellophane cover. We don't need this one. Okay, there is a light, a LED light. It says mesh, a net mesh, and it's color dark. This is the manual. And the USB cable. So it's hi-fi. You can put a TF card in here. You can activate a FM radio. You can switch LED light effect, fabric art style, supports 2 station in series, support TWS, so you can use a 3-dimension music scene. The type of version of Bluetooth speaker is 5.3, 1200 milliampere. Okay, 5 volts, 500 milliampere. You can use your charger in here to charge this Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it is nice design. You can plug here the Type C USB charger, the USB flash drive. You can put it in here or add a micro SD. The mode, the plus and minus volume rocker, play. I think there is the lighting of this Bluetooth speaker. So here is the Rackspace. You can find more information below this mini Bluetooth speaker. Such a quality work. And let's turn this BT speaker now. Let's turn it on. This is the on and off button. So let's see if this have a juice. Okay. Wow. It automatically turn off the lights, the LED lights in this BT speaker. And look, beautiful light display, a vibrant color, different from other Bluetooth brands. This type of LED lights have a vibrant color, and it is a additional light effects in your room or any place when you listen to your favorite songs, and let's just have a little test the speaker. Okay, sound test. Go to maximum level.
Satellite, 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 yeah, yeah. Satellite, 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 run it down, let me run it down. Run it down, let me see you run it down. Satellite, spin around like a satellite, satellite, satellite. Like a satellite.
Okay, that's it for the sound test of the mini Bluetooth speaker, and as you can see, the sounds is very nice, the build is good quality, and speaker is very simple and beautiful. And that's it for today for the unboxing and review of this S56 Bluetooth speaker with a vibrant LED lights. Thank you for watching of my short review and unboxing. This is the Dress Tech review. So hope to see you soon. Just please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more of this unboxing and review of a mini Bluetooth speaker. Thank you.